In this quick video, I will show you how to create Bybit Sub Account step by step. So the first step is to go to bybit.com, then log in using your Bybit account. Go here and go to Account and Security. Click the Sub Account tab, click Create Sub Account, and then you can choose Standard Sub Account or Custom Sub Account. Well, the only difference is that you can log into a standard sub account via account switch without entering a password, while the custom sub account is you can select an account type, create password, or enable account switch. For example, I want to create standard sub account, and you can choose account types here. We have here the unified trading account and the standard account. As for the unified trading account, one account for trading spot and derivatives excluding inverse that supports multi-asset shared collateral for all positions. While the standard account, it separates accounts for trading spot and derivatives, USDT perpetual, supports hedge mode, cross, and isolated mode. For example, I want to use the unified trading account, and as for the username, you can just type down any username you want, then click confirm, and now I have successfully created a sub account. And now you can switch between your main account and your sub account. Just click account switch here. If you want to transfer your assets from your main account to sub account, you can just click here. And if you want to manage your API key, just click here. And if you have any questions about how to create Bybit sub account, leave a comment below.